Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this internship video series, today we have an exciting announcement from Ernst and Company, which is EY. Ernst and Company has announced an internship program for technology risk for the location Bangalore. So let's see what are the major responsibilities and the eligibility criteria for this technology risk internship program. Let's get started. The job title is Associate and the department is Assurance Technology Risk. What are the primary responsibilities of this technology risk internship program? You have to lead and execute the IT department and risk assurance engagement. Perform client walkthroughs, understand the key processes as well as the risk management, and plan the team schedule utilization and divide the task among the staff and also manage the final delivery. The major important responsibility, you have to develop and maintain the productive working relationship with the client and onshore stakeholders. So let's see what are the competencies and skills required for this technology risk internship program. You have to work effectively as a team leader, collaborate and share the responsibility, coach, and support the team members to succeed in their project. Maintain an educational program to continue their develop this personal as well as professional skills for themselves as well as for the staff members. Conduct the performance review and try to contribute to the performance feedback for the staff. What are job specification for the technology risk internship? The candidate should complete either BE BTech, the respective streams like computer science, electronics and data analytics background. 60% and above in the current degree with no active backlog. So these are the job specification for the technology risk internship. Also, the candidate can have the added advantage like CISA, RLCISM, or a CRISC, ISO 2007-01 certification, data privacy certifications. So these are the added advantage for the candidates. And candidates may have the IT audit knowledge for the financials audit and control frameworks such as COSO and related regulations SOX and JSOX. And also the candidate may have the data analytics and automation tool like SQL, Blue Prism, Alteryx, and Power BI. The very important added advantage the candidates may have German, Dutch, French language is an added advantage for this technology risk internship. If you are interested for this technology risk internship program, please click the apply button to register for the internship program. For such type of internship videos, scholarship, technology related videos, the free certification, challenges, skill challenges, hackathon related things, please do subscribe my channel. My channel name is Start with Jana. Please support me in this YouTube journey and you can share this information to your friends, colleagues, neighbors, and lovable ones. They'll also get benefited from this programs. And I have curated my playlist according to coding, hackathon challenges, the latest attending technology updates, scholarship and internship, and free certification related programs. Stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching.